Workshop Wednesday, cleaning the dryer vent. The outdoor dryer vent.
Whew, look, it's your hair.
And it's gray hair too. You sure it's not Becky's hair?
If I was going to trade you in for a Becky, do you think I'd get a gray-haired model? Last time I did this, a freaking wasp stung me. So I'm trying to make sure there's no wasp nest up in there this time.
Well, if there is, I'll get it on camera.
You remember the rule, if something gets injured, keep going. Yeah, I like the keep the birds and stuff from making a nest, but downside is all the lint gets caught up in it. Probably because of your hair.
That is not all my hair.
I'm saying like the hair is what the lint gets caught in, I think. It like mixes with the lint. Might just pull the hose on this one.
Well, like it either looks like it needs a hose or an air compressor.
I wish I had a real air compressor. I used to have one, I gave it away.
I know. To my best friend's dad.
One's still running. So much faster. Like in the movies. Why didn't you just lead with that? Yeah, every time I think about burning the cardboard, the wind does that.
It is quite windy.
I need to go look at Van Dusky. See what the wind forecast is. If you don't know about Van Dusky, I recommend it. If you need a wind forecast, that's the one to go for.
Hurricanes too, real good. Don't you need to like suck something up?
Wow, it's clean.
No.
Good.
I can't get over there. Never mind.
Too ticky for you?
No, I mean, look at this crap.
It's on the list. Remember, I can't just carry that to the dump. They won't take it. I'd have to actually go into the landfill gates, weigh by the pound, carry it down to the other part, risk getting stuck.
What I was asking is, isn't there a vent, like a hole?
Yeah, I already cleaned it up.
So there's nothing in there? Here, take this and look in the hole.
Yeah, as long as I've been waiting for you to ask me to look in your hole, it was way less exciting than I thought it would be.
So just take that and stick it in my hole.
Who knows if it's even focusing or not. You'll have to look later.